everyone, and today I'm gonna show 4 of my slimes right over here. Just for fun, not for anything. I just want to show to you because it's just for fun. That's all. And I have a tissue here in case, or actually some tissues here. So in case it sticks onto me, at least I have something to rub it, or actually rub my hands onto. And let's get started. First, I'm going to show you my white slime. This one right over here. And this is actually one of my favorites. Or actually my favorite one in this collection. Uh-oh, this one came off. Let me put it back first. Yeah, like I said, if it sticks to me, I'm going to wash it off. Actually, this is my white slime. Take out some more. There. There it is. And here is it. Let's play with it. Absorb it. Actually, with this I put a lot of glue, like about this much of white glue and this much of clear glue, because for white glue it's takes a long time. It's not really that nice. For clear glue it's more easier to make slime for me. And here it is. And also I put some sprinkles on it. Actually, I put this kind of sprinkle right over there, the rectangular shape, and over there, the circle shaped sprinkles, you can see there. And there it is. It's very fun to play with. And the next slime I'm going to show you is it's very nice purple slime. Here it is. Very big and stretchy and long. It's very nice too. It's getting a bit dry too. And next I'm going to show you is this red or pink red or hot pink slime with sprinkles too. And actually it's getting a bit dry too. As you can see, it's very cute. And the only sprinkles I use are these rectangular shaped ones. I didn't use the circle ones because for some reasons it got more cuter. This one only. Here it is. And the next one I'm going to show you the final one and the most stickiest one that I think I really must not take it out of this. Let's add some sprinkles to it. Yep, here it is. Actually, this one is so sticky. This is very watery because I only made it today. And this one, I put too much white glue instead of clear glue. So it ended up like this. But for these two, I put clear glue only. And yeah, it's turned out more nicer. Here. Here's how it is like. Let's put that there. It's just that it has to get more time to dry up. So tissue, I'm gonna wipe my hands off. And actually, I haven't shown you, but I think I want to do this one too. I made this a very long time ago, and there's some water there because I made it out of full laundry. but this is like many glitters in it, so many, and I'm just gonna press it or poke it for you guys. I'm not taking it out of the container because the sprinkles or the glitter might come out. These are very different kinds. And here's my slime. Yeah, let me close it up. Well, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. And please like and subscribe for more of these videos. And thank you to all my subscribers. And if you subscribe, just put in the comments that you subscribe. And stay tuned. And if you want, actually, like I said before, if you want more of these slimes, or like example, you want me to mix two slimes, like example this and this, I might do it in my next video. And stay tuned. Bye!